Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and securing a backup. First, back up your iPad to iCloud or Finder. This prevents data loss if something goes wrong. Once backed up, plug in the iPad or confirm at least 50% battery and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Make sure you know your Apple ID and password. You'll need them. Now open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to check for iPad OS 15. If the update appears, tap Download and Install to start. Once the download begins, watch available storage and download progress. If the installer reports insufficient space, free up 510 GB and restart the download. When prompted, enter your passcode and accept Apple's terms. The iPad will prepare and then verify the update. Make sure you keep the device connected to power and Wi-Fi. Interruptions can corrupt the process. The install phase may reboot the iPad multiple times, which is normal. Stay patient and avoid using the device until the progress bar finishes. After installation, follow the on-screen setup to sign in and enable features like Siri or SharePlay. Once you're at the home screen, verify the version in Settings General about to confirm iPad OS 15. If apps or data seem missing, restore from your backup or update apps via the App Store. If the update fails or the device is stuck, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to reinstall iPad OS in recovery mode. This fixes most errors without data loss when done correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.